bitter?
No, at least they make you feel better. Alright, we should keep going.
Might want to grab more of these plants along the way.
Yeah, good idea. Looks like the blight's spread here too. I don't know who put these ropes here,
I see a few ways down.
we can use the line to slide down.
What are we after exactly?
The backup? Well, it's an AI. It's hard to explain. Think of it like a set of instructions that can fix the world.
Sounds complicated. Noticed you're, traveling light these days.
Yeah, I, ran into some trouble on the way here. Lost a lot of my gear. Logs.
Salvaging machine.
A lot of arrows in that machine. Better take a closer look. Someone took down this machine recently.
Who else would come here?
I don't know. Nothing but crafts and arrows around.
There's a ladder, but can't reach it.
Nothing a well-placed arrow can't knock free. Just have to target the lock. All right, now to craft some arrows. Done.
Me too. Arrows ready. By the goddess. What was this place?
I don't know. The transmission... I found. Didn't say. Only that a backup might be here. We need to find a way in. So, what happened after I left Meridian?
Well, there was a fuss when you realized you were gone. Then some of us figured you only would have left if it were for something important.
You were right about that. Down this way. We can scan the machine before we make our move.
Okay. Find anything good?
A few supplies.
Another one's coming.
Okay, concentrate.
Well, as soon as the celebration was over, my mother led the rest of the Nora home. The Sun King put his people to work rebuilding the city, and I set out to find you.
Another ladder. Need to shoot off the lock. Got it.
You said you've had a focus since you were a child, right?
Yeah. Found my first one when I fell into a ruin. Got the others from an old cache not long ago. It's good to have extras. Through here.
Going into a ruin of the old ones. God us protect us.
Welcome to the Far Zenith
I'll
launch
be
facility.
okay, though. Far Zenith? I know they made some tech trades with Zero Dawn, but why would they have a backup of Gaia? We'll
Please
be okay.
register with reception for the tour.
I guess they want us to check in with them?
I should be able to pry this open. Better than I thought. What's this?
Huh. What's this thing for?
Didn't turn up much. I better scan. Oh, I might be able to get up there. Wow, that worked.
That pullcaster's useful. Too bad there's only one.
Don't worry, I'll find you another way up.
I think I can turn this thing on. Whoa.
Good morning. I'm Oswald Dahlgard, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to...
That explains the smell. And it looks like something big came in from above.
Crashed right through the camp. And then through the wall. We should take a look at the rubble in that gap. Oh, this stuff burns. Whatever came through here brought this down as it went out. If I can dislodge some of the debris, we might be able to squeeze through. Maybe I can find something to help in the camp.
Aloy, over here. I think I got something.
My focus picked up a... My focus picked up a couple...
Acid burned right through his armor.
Part of a machine. Part of a machine. Could help fix the gears. Cool. Or maybe better.
You could use this workbench.
Space
Thanks.
to get there. Please proceed into the auditorium.
The wilds have really grown over this place.
My focus might be able to help here.
Show off.
Creepy ruin we go.
Above us. What is that thing? What is that thing?
Might have been what killed those Osram. Keep...
Moving up.
I need just to take it out with my spear. He'd see me. I should scan it first.
More of the shield.
Nothing you can't handle. I've been meaning to mention, I noticed you have a new look these days.
Yeah, I know. Didn't have a lot of time to shave when I was trying to catch up to you. Don't worry.
New look these days?
Yeah, I know. Didn't have a lot of time to shave when I was trying to catch up to you. Don't worry, it's not permanent. Permanent.
Good.
Sorry, my whiskers offend you, anointed.
Out of the light. Can't escape.
Hope it's so long.
The Osram must have used explosives against the...
They get a couple.
Looks like there was a barricade here. Machines must have broken through.
Oseram didn't have a chance